Good morning, students. Welcome to English Class 8. Today we start with Unit 3 poem Making Life Worthwhile, written by George Eliot. About the author Mary Ann Evans, known by her pen name George Eliot, who was an English novelist, poet, journalist, translator, and one of the leading writers of a Victorian era. She writes 7 novels and many more good works. In this poem, she makes us to know about the moral values. So, before we start the poem, Making Life Worthwhile, let's have a look on some pictures. Yes, you have seen these pictures. In first picture, what do you observe? Yes, a boy feeding a puppy, a pet dog. In second picture, we can see a young girl consoles her sister by giving her advice. In the third picture, we can see a boy taking his friend for an outing in a wheelchair. In the fourth and the last picture, we can see a boy helping an old man to cross the road. So, this is what the poet wants to explain in this poem. Our life is not just to play games or waste time by chatting, but at the same time, we should utilize our life by helping the needy people, which make our life worthwhile. Now, let's move on to the poem Making Life Worthwhile with its explanation. Every soul that touches yours, be it the slightest contact, get there from some good, some little grace, one kindly thought, one aspiration yet unfilled, one bite of courage for the darkening sky. The explanation: we should learn the good from every soul that touches our heart. It may also be the slightest contact, some little charms, one kind thought, a hope, or an ambition to achieving a desire or a wish. We need a bite of bravery to step into the darkening world. Second stanza: one gleam of faith to brave the thickening ills of life, one glimpse of brighter skies to make this life worthwhile and heaven a surer heritage. Explanation: a faith that shines brightly to face the evils and obstacles of life. A quick look at the brighter side of our life will make our life valuable, and then surely heaven would be our inherited property. So, Making Life Worthwhile by George Eliot is a beautiful poem that gives us the message of garnering good things from the people we meet. The poet advises us that every person we come in contact with, we should gather his or her good qualities such as grace, kindness, aspiration, and inspiration, courage, faith from the people we meet. Collecting all the good things from others will make our life strong, bright, and invaluable treasure. So, dear children, I hope you all have understood the poem, what it says. Yes, hereafter, in our future, utilize your life by helping a person who is really needy. That's all for today. Let's meet in our next session with a more interesting topics. Till that, stay home, stay safe. Thank you, children.